Okay, so today we looked at, again, how to compare tables with graphs with equations. Taking away the physical representation, we're able to see that in each three, like table, graph, equation, they're the same thing. So here we go. It says Chris is selling little toy cars for $1.50 each. Write an equation that represents how much money Chris earns M for selling toy cars C. So M is the amount of money, and if they're $1.50 each, you're looking like $1.50 times car. And so you don't need a dollar sign for this one, but you're going to have an M equals 1.50 C. There's no submit button. um, I don't see a submit button. Okay, we're going to the next one. Um, we'll see when we get to the end. It says, it says here's your equation from the previous screen. And so if there's two cars, you're going to earn $3. Four cars is $6. 150, would that be 10, 11? And 2250 would be at $1.50, 15. Let's try. I'm going to do. This is the math I'm doing. 2250 divided by $1.50. I go once, twice, and so 150, 2250. I've got one of those is 150. Subtract is 750. 150 goes into that 5 times. So yeah, 15. Next, we've got now a graph. So 1 was 60. 1, 60. 2, 120. 3, 180. 4, 240. 5 would be 300. And 6 equals 360. Yep. Okay. Next, using that same information, determine d distance equals 60 times t. Yep. Explain how the parts of this equation relate to the situation. So d is the distance. Distance, and t is the hours. So 60t equals 60 times each hour would be the distance there. Bookstore gives out $2 coupons. This graph represents the situation. Number of books, $2 off. Check on one point. Click any point on the graph. Explain what it means in this situation. If I buy 5 books, you save $10. A equals E minus 4 represents the relationship A. Okay, so E is going to be bigger. Minus 4 is the first one. Because E minus 4 would be 6. E minus 4 would be 2. E minus 4 would be -1. So yeah, that's the only one that makes sense. 25% of 40 is $10. 30% of 60 would be $18. And 45% of 90, 90% of 45 would be not nice. So this is what I'm doing. I've got 40 times 0.25. I'm going to get 200. I'm going to get 800. I add these together. I get 1,000. There's 2 spots, $10. Same with 60 times 0.30. I'm going to get 1800, and then 2 decimal places. But when I get to 45%, oops, 0.45 times 90, 5 is 450, and then I get 9 times is 36. I get 0, 1, carry the 1 is 8. That can't be, I'm off by something. It should have been over 1 spot. That should be a 0. So wait, because 0, okay, and 36. And so what I did there was I should have done 4 times 0 is 0, but it's a 40 and it's over 1 decimal place. So I've got 36. I've got, in that case, a 5. I've got 7, 37.50. That's why I could not do that one in my head. Number 9, 35 cents per cup, share 9.80. How many cups of lemonade does she sell? I've got 9.80 divided by 0.35. I'm going to move that twice, That's like 35 divided by 980. There's 2 is 70 to 80. 6 times 26. 6 times 5 is 30. 18. Oops, what am I doing? 7, 8. 8. 40. 24, 28. There we go. And so she got 28 cups of lemonade. She bought 50 paper cups at 5 cents each. How much did she spend on 50 paper cups? $2.50. Let's see how I did. Ooh, number 7 to 9. Let's go back to that one. 7 to 9. Which one did I miss? 37.50. Oh, I know that can't be right. Let me, because that's 50% of 90 is 45. Oh no, I think that's right. But let me, 0.25 times 40 is definitely 10. 0.30 times 60 is definitely 18. 0.45 times 90. Oh, how did I mess this one up? Okay, let's do this one again. Eraser. Here we go, pen. 450 is definitely true, but 4 times 9, 4 times, I've got to put a placeholder. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 9 is 36. I totally messed that one up. 40, 50. And right there we go. And check my answers this time. And we're all there. So if you have any questions, please ask in class tomorrow. If not, I'll see you in the next video.